In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use H&R Block tax software. First, open the My Block homepage. This is your personal dashboard where H&R Block brings together your taxes, finances, and documents in one place. When the page loads, take a second to look around. You'll see navigation that lets you jump between sections. We're going to use that to get comfortable with the layout. Start by selecting Taxes. This takes you to the area dedicated to your returns and tasks. You'll typically see your current status, quick links, and any items that may need your attention. It's a good habit to glance over these tiles so you always know what's been completed and what still needs action. Next, choose. Prepare for next year. Think of this as your planning hub. Here you can preview what information will help streamline next season, identify forms you'll likely receive again, and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Spending a moment here now can save time when filing opens. From there, head to Finances. This section organizes the money side of your life in the software, helping you keep key info in one place. Understanding where to find this area makes it much easier to connect your financial picture to your tax return when the time comes. Now open Documents. This is your secure library for tax-related files. You'll find items like wage statements and other tax forms when they're available, all stored safely so you don't have to chase down paperwork. Keeping documents centralized reduces last-minute stress and helps ensure accuracy. At the top of Documents, select the tax year. Use this to switch between years so you're viewing the exact set of files you need. If you worked in multiple states or changed jobs, confirming the correct year here is a simple way to avoid confusion while reviewing forms. If you need guidance along the way, go to Help. The Help area provides answers to common questions and explains features right where you are. Searching here first is a quick way to resolve small roadblocks without leaving your workflow. Finally, open Account within Help to access your account-related options. This is where you can review your profile details and make sure your preferences are set the way you want. Keeping your information current supports a smoother tax experience and helps protect your security. That's the tour. By moving from Home to Taxes, Prepare for next year, Finances, Documents, choosing the tax year, and then using Help and Account, you'll be ready to navigate H&R Block with confidence.